Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive the latest video. Today we solve a question for coefficient of determination. First we look the formula of coefficient of determination as we discussed in my previous video. Here is the formula: r square is equal to 1 minus unexplained variation over total variation. R square is equal to 1 minus, mathematically we represent unexplained variation by sum of y minus y cap. Dependent variable, here y represent dependent variable and y cap is the estimated variable by regression relationship, and square this term and sum. And here total variation is y minus y bar. Y bar is equal to summation y over n, so we obtain the y values as and square. So first task is to estimate this value. We need this value. For this we first find regression equation for predicting the length means y for given weight on the spring. Here in our question our dependent variable is y, length of spring. The length of we determine the length of spring, and x is the load on the dependent variable y. So these are the two variables. So our estimated equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx. A is the interceptor and b is the slope of the straight line, and x is the represent the independent variable. We have the formula for slope b is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y over n summation x square minus summation x का whole square. So we need these values. N represent the number of observations. We have 10 observations. If you want to calculate, these are the 10 observations. This represent the sum of x, this represents sum of y, this is the sum of x square, this is the sum of y square, this is sum of xy. So we need these values for this formula. N is 10 summation xy. Here is the summation xy value, summation x. Here is the summation x value 130. Summation y, here is the summation y 220. N10 summation x square, here is the summation x value 2288 minus summation x whole square, here is summation x and whole square. To simplify these values, we got slope of the regression line is 1.02, and for intercept the formula for intercept is a is equal to y bar minus byx x bar. How we calculate y bar? Y bar is equal to summation y over small n. Summation y 220 over 10 22. We got the values y bar 22. X bar is equal to summation x over n, and by dividing the sum of x over n observation we have x bar value 13. Put these values in this formula. Y bar minus byx value 1.02 as we calculate here, and x bar is 13, so the intercept is 8.74. Hence our estimated regression equation is y cap is equal to 8.74 intercept plus slope 1.02 x independent variable. Now we have the value of y cap to determine our coefficient of determination. So put these values here in this table. we calculate this value. Put x is equal to 3 multiply by 1.02 and then add in. We got this way observation. On similar fashion, put x5 here. 5 multiply by 1.02 plus add this term. So we got the value of y cap. This table show y minus y cap. Here y is 10 minus 11.8. Y is 12 minus 13.84. So we got these values. This is the property of regression line. Y minus y cap is equal to 0. So here is the zero observation. It means we perform on this example in correct way. Now we need y minus y cap square, unexplained variation. This is our unexplained variation and sum. So square this term, minus 1.80 square, you got this observation. Square this term, got this observation square. So this is the sum of y minus y cap square, unexplained variation. Now we need total variation, y minus y bar. This is your y observation 10 minus y bar. Here is y bar 22. 10 minus 22, 12. 12 minus 22 minus 10, and solve on the similar fashion. Here is y minus y bar square. Square this term, square this term, square this term, and the sum. This is the total variation. This is unexplained variation. This is total variation. Now put these values in our formula. R square 1 minus unexplained variation over total variation. We have R square value is 0.954. So this R square represent 95% variability in Y explained by linear relationship with X independent variable. And other method to solve the R square is equal to explained variation over total variation. We represent mathematically explained variation as summation y cap minus y bar square, and here is represent total variation. So how we explained variation? We know the formula. Total variation is equal to unexplained variation plus explained variation. So explained variation is equal to total variation minus unexplained variation. On this way we got the value of explained variation, put here, and we got the value for square is equal to 0.954. So we can use any method, same result found. And another alternative method to solve coefficient of determination is total variation. We write summation y minus y bar square is equal to summation y square minus summation y ka whole square over n. We get these values from the table directly. In this way we did not need to perform any regression relationship. We simply obtain values from this table x y x square y square xy. We do not need to perform this section. So this is an easy method, and put the values here. We got the total variation, and for unexplained variation, summation y minus y cap square is equal to summation y square minus a summation y minus b summation xy. Put these values from the above said table and you have unexplained variation. Put these values in this formula. We have value of r square 0.958. Little bit variation in this answer because of numerical fixed values of the point. We have point after point value 3 or 4. So here is the value of r square. Thanks.